This problem relates to an aircraft hangar. Here we have a cable in blue which is placed across the top of the hangar, and one end is pinned to A here and the other is pinned in the opposite direction corner to B, and we're to determine the length of the cable to the nearest centimeter. So our hangar is 40 meters wide and 50 meters long. This problem can only be solved if you can realize that we can flatten the roof so that the left corner is A and the upper right corner is B, and therefore this side here is going to be the length of that hangar, which is 50 meters. Now if you realize if you flatten this hangar, this will no longer be 40 meters, but it will be half the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 40 meters. Now the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, which is the radius, but it also is 2 pi d, where d is the diameter, and we know that our diameter is 40 meters. So we can say that the length here will be half pi d. So working on the side here, half pi d, and substituting the d for 40 is going to be half pi 40, which in other words is going to be 20 pi. Now we know that our cable runs from A to B, and this is the diagonal of this rectangle. And to find the length of this diagonal, we will need to use the Pythagoras theorem because we have a right-angled triangle. So now we have a rectangle with the following measurements: 50 meters here and 20 pi on this side. Using the Pythagoras theorem, where C will become the diagonal and A is going to be one side, like 20 pi, and B is going to be 50 meters. And we can rearrange this for C. So the formula looks like C is equal to the root of 20 pi all squared plus 50 all squared. Working all of this out on the calculator, I get 80.29845428, and that is meters. But our question specifically asks for centimeters. So if we want to find centimeters, we need to multiply this by 100, and this will give us, which approximately to the nearest centimeter will be 8030 centimeters. Please help me out by subscribing to this channel and also giving it a like.